Okay, this is a short video about how you update your VCI. Basically, just connect the two components via connector, USB, C connection type, both ends, and basically, as soon as you turn it on, if it needs an update, it'll say it needs an update, and then just go through the steps and press update. That's it. It's a necessary step. You want to keep up to date, to keep bugs out, and not bugs, but to get rid of any software bugs, and just to basically keep the system updated. All right, thank you. Bye.